Hello, so we're starting on 3.3 now. This is going to be an extension of more properties of log functions. So the first one we're going to talk about is the change of base. So when we're changing a base, this could be for plenty of different reasons. One could be to put it just in base 10, just because that is the common log. Others would be to put it in a certain base that's going to help you get to a certain cancellation or using a property that you might want to use. But the change of base formula is if you are given a log with a certain base, we'll name that A of C. And say we want to change it to base B. We take log of our new base, of what we were taking that log to originally is C, log of our new base of what our old base was. So a way to see this applied. If I wanted to take log base 4 of 25 and change it all to base 10, again, I'd take log base 10, log base 10. My old, what I was taking that log of, goes on top. My old base goes down below. And you would just punch that into your calculator. So this is one where you can actually use the log button that you see right on your calculator. So I'd be able to say log of 25 divided by log of 4. And I would get 2.32 for that. Okay, so I don't have to do the math down to log base because my common log base is 10. So technically when I just have log, it's assumed the base is 10. So what if I want to change the following? Log base 2 of 12 to base 10. Again, I will have log base 10 over log base 10. This one will be of 12, and this, the old base, goes down here. So log of 12 divided by log of 10. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't it. It was log of 2. Sorry. Let me... So it's 3.58. So then what if I want to change it to E? It's the exact same kind of process that's going to happen here. I will have log base E over log base E. Again, 25 coming right here and 4 going down below. I just want to reiterate that this would be natural log of 25 over the natural log of 4 because log base E equals natural log or ln. So I can use my ln button, 25 divided by ln 4 and 2.32. All right, so that is the change of base property. Other properties that we want to talk about include, first, the product property. So this is if we're taking log base A, or any number, of two numbers or two terms multiplied together. We can actually split those up between addition by taking log of that same base of the first thing being multiplied plus log same base of the second thing being multiplied. So again, we're just adding those two together, splitting them up through addition. This carries over natural log, split it up again by addition. So that follows, then if we're talking about quotient, two things being divided, we instead split those up by subtraction. So log of same base, the numerator goes first, followed by subtraction of what was in the denominator. Okay, these are all V's. I don't know why they kind of look like check marks now when I'm looking at them. And again, this follows through for natural log. Anything that's being divided, go ahead and separate that with two natural logs and just use subtraction instead. Last property is the power property. Whenever, if ever, we have log base of something, we can take whatever exponent was there and we throw it out in front. What I want to remind you is all of these properties go backwards. So if you have logs of the same base and they're split up by addition, you can turn those into multiplication. Logs of the same base split up by subtraction, turn those into division. Follows through that if I ever have a number out in front of a natural log or out in front of a log, I can throw that number back up into the exponent. Okay, so all of these properties are transitive, so I can go one way or the other. They're both equal. What I want to first have you do to practice these is to write the following two expressions in terms of natural log of 2 and natural log of 3. So when we're first looking at natural log of 6, how could I split this up between natural log of 2 and natural log of 3? I know that natural log of 6, or 6 in general, is gotten by taking 2 times 3. I know if I have natural log or the same base between multiplication, I can split that up through addition. Now I'm in only, that's a addition sign. I'm in only log base 3 and log base 2s. So that's the answer there. This one's just forcing you to kind of use your mind and think about how can we use these properties to our benefit in order to rewrite something. No specific purpose right now, just to get you practicing it in that mindset. What about over here? First, I know the same thing goes. I can split up any division by subtraction. So let me split this up, see if that gets me anywhere. I have the 2, but I don't have the 3. So let's start thinking about what do I know of 7. Um, and I start thinking like to be a 3, and then I think, well, how is 3? So 3 7.